Inventory is down. Buyers are still buying. It's Friday, February 11th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Let's take a quick look at market activity since last week's report. 965 properties are coming soon, up from last week. 969 homes came to the market, on par with last week. 623 went under contract, also on par with last week. 1,332 are temporarily off the market, rising slowly. 1,178 went pending, a small rise. 884 properties settled, selling in 13 days at 100% list to sale ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Bethesda's Avenel for $4,995,000. Mortgage rates have increased significantly since kicking off the year. The average 30-year fixed mortgage rose to 3.55% from 3.22%. Any increase in mortgage rates changes what a buyer can afford to buy. As you can see from this chart, each quarter point increase in the mortgage rate increases the monthly mortgage payment about $50. While that might not seem like a lot, aside from the long-term effect of a higher mortgage over time, this can also affect some borrowers who are already close on their ratios and impacts the purchase price range of the home that they want. Forecasts predict at this pace we could see rates over 4% by the late spring market. It's too soon to predict the market reaction from buyers yet, especially with the constrained inventory. In the Maryland rental market, combined areas have fewer properties for lease since last week. 1,345 properties for lease at an average of $23.95 per month. Stats continue to show that rentals are going under application in about 23 days. If you are contemplating making a move this year, get our 2022 home buyer or home seller guide free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides and the navigation bar. And if you'd like to chat about your specific situation, reach out to me at 443-222-0857. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, February 11th, 2022. Thank you for tuning in. Until next week, be well.